Mary Wollstonecraft, born in 1759 in England, was a pioneering advocate for women's rights. In her groundbreaking work, A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, she argued that women deserve education and equality, challenging the societal norms of her time. Wollstonecraft believed that women should have the same opportunities as men to contribute to society. Her ideas laid the foundation for future feminist movements. Despite facing criticism, she remained steadfast in her beliefs, inspiring generations of women to fight for their rights. Wollstonecraft's legacy is a testament to the power of education and the importance of equality for all.